when you get off of work, you don't get to lay down. You don't get to lay down. You don't get to relax.
She has a valid point. He had me going until I noticed that she mentioned that they both work. If you both work, you both got to do that work. Pun intended. But before I continue, ensure that you're following, liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. If both parties are working in this relationship, you both have to share the responsibility of the household and the children. You're either going to have schedule or designated duties for each partner, but you both got to do that work. You both go out and clock in to a building or wherever. So when you both come home, you both got to share the duties of the household so you both don't feel burnout. Right? However, if it was a situation where only one person was working and taking care of the bills, that's a whole different kettle of fish. Right? But again, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?